Midnight in the workshop glow, step the motor steering short, waves rising on the line, not so far, stop racing at full speed, cooling more than what I need, printing dreams in PG, but it sounds like a factory. I love the way you build so clean, but you don't have to sound like a turbine machine. So I'm breaking your heart tonight, swapping those fast, getting it so right. From a hound to a general hall, silent revolution thunders through. All the ends down, still pushing it where it needs to go. Now you're breathing in peace, not fight. A free, glittering whisper more tonight. Out with the 40mm screen, in with the fluid dynamic dream, nocturnal vibes control the tight beat, heavy M under moonlight, but convert a wire just right, voltage steady, future bright, ductly design, airflow clean, cooling the bridge like a laser beam. There's turbulence, more control, clear space, but it keeps it so. Shout, sometimes the best work whispers out. From 24 volts to a calmer sound. No more jet engine in the background, just the rhythm of the X and high, drawing dreams across the sky. Yeah, I'm breaking your heart tonight. That space and pressure, that's the rules that shook the room. Soft mechanical perfume, roll to vibrations high.
Like a jet engine, a constant heavy drone, a mechanical symphony in a language all its own. Stock fans were screaming, pushing air with all their might, but the decibels were rising long into the night. So I'm swapping out the old ones for something smooth and sleek, reducing all the vibrations, making the system weak. In the silence of the workshop, the prints begin to flow, with a whisper and a flicker, a quiet, steady glow. masterpiece of engineering with a peaceful state of mind.